Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Victoria. Just at the hospital with my mom. We're just waiting for my dad to make his way over with my mom's robe because it's freezing. What we have planned, it's like afternoon now, or almost 5 o'clock. But I'm just waiting, and then I get picked up, and then go and get my stuff ready for the ball tonight. Boom, boom, boom. I wasn't even planning on going, but my mom's telling me to go. But yeah, I'll see you then. Bye. Hey guys, so we're just my brother's just dropping me off to one of the girls' house to do my makeup, because yeah, I'm not gonna go barefaced like this to the ball. Hell to the friggin' no. But yeah, and then my double chin, and then one of the girls will pick me up from there, and then we'll see you guys at the ball. Hey guys, so we're just on our way to the chapel. We're like 3 hours behind because somebody wants to say hey guys.
Who's that?
Oh!
Hi.
Oh my gosh, say hey. And we have liquor in the shop. Just buying a few things. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the chapel. Bye. Okay, so we finally made it to the chapel, guys. Because you know, Miss Bang over here.
Goes. No, it doesn't. Oh my goodness.
We haven't got to the light yet.
It's so cold.
Oh, I am freezing cold. I feel buckled. I didn't even bring my cardigan. I was like, oh no, it's fine. Show you what the thing looks like. Here at the chapel. Oh frick, I'm cold.
We could run.
It's really warm. Oh, me too.
It is our YC right there. Everybody's dying over there. Okay. Holy crap, she literally.
What is our YC?
What the? Woman just started coughing.
She wants to.
So ladies and gentlemen, show them how to treat a lady. You be jamming until the break of dawn. You be jamming and jamming and jamming and jamming on.
Home time. Oh, there. And I'm not even wearing my shoes. All of a sudden, everyone's on outfit.
I'm gonna lose half my people.
Don't worry, we'll all go outside.
Maria, West Side Story.
Oh, hi, Bella.
Where do we get like drinks from? That's music. And that's what I'm doing in Asia.
Who'd you come with?
I came with my read.
Oh, she's just with us by the window.
Yeah, I'm like, where is she? I am ready for my nap. Like, for real, I'm ready for my nap.
So bloody cold. I just want to go home. It's freezing. I'm not even wearing my shoes. But hopefully we go home straight from here. I don't know what else we're doing.
Oh, sorry.
Quite Monday. Hey.
Holy.
Wow, that really stands out. Really stands out. Hi,
Sorry, can you come grab the drink?
So we're here at the parents' house with food. Hopefully someone knocks on the door because I'm freezing. Kia ora, kia ora. Hey guys. Kia ora, kia ora. Oh, where's Tony and them? Haven't they came yet?
No, not yet.
She's still in hospital. What? Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna end my vlog for tonight. I'm really tired. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, but I'm just gonna go wipe off this makeup off and then go to sleep and make sure I don't wake up again. Not jokes, tomorrow's Saturday Fiel Day. But yeah, if you guys, oh my gosh, if you guys like my vlogs, just press subscribe down the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one.
Animales, muévete a mi ritmo, siente el magnetismo, tu cadera y la mía, pum, hacen un sismo. Ahora da lo mismo el amor y el turismo, diciéndole que no al que viene con romántico.